Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy whatever day this is. Let's see, if it came out on Sunday, if today's Saturday, so this video, I'm recording this on a Saturday. So if it came out on Saturday, there's a video. Happy Tuesday! Hopefully I'm right on that. Welcome back to today's plugin tutorial video. Today we're checking out our plugin ShardRewards. It's available on MC Market. Let's take a little look at it. So, it's fully configurable, everything you can change about it. There's 4 types of rewards. So you can set up rewards and chances for rewards when you're mining, farming, fishing, and killing people. So you can set up everything. So why don't we just go straight into the configure file to start, and we'll take a look at this to begin with. So let's see. I forgot how you make this bigger, because that's that side. Here we go. So first you can configure every message in the plugin. This message here is for your main command, which is /rewards. It just explains what happens. So that's this first one. If I wasn't an idiot and didn't put a second line there, I'll fix that in the code after, but you can have 4 lines there. Then you have your rewards. So kill rewards. So these, you can define what you want the rewards to come with. So in this case, we have the reward if you kill a zombie, skeleton, iron golem, spider, cave spider, pig, cow, villager, pig zombie. On the kill reward, you're going to give, in this case, you can put as many of these as you want. So if you want to just copy and paste this, go ahead, you can get another one. But in this case, I give you one example for each. In this case, I said, hey, look, spawner. The chance is 10%. This is the message you get if you get it, and this is the command it runs. So you can run multiple commands. So you can run, like, give player, because you can use the thing, like 10 blah blah, or something. It's up to you. You can go ahead and do that. Then you have the same thing with mining rewards. You got the cobblestone and stone. If you mine enough cobblestone and stone, at a 10% chance, you'll get something. Same with fishing, 10% chance after fishing, you get something. And this is the new one, farming. If you farm crops, crops is default, crops is wheat. You can add carrot and stuff if you wish as well, but that is default for that. So, why don't we go in game and take a little bit of a look at this. But before we do this, just to make it a little easier, I'm going to change this to 90%. So it's a 90% chance for all these. So just for me to show off. Normally, you wouldn't want it to be 90%. You don't want that many rewards going out to your players. But if it's going to be 90 for this example, because I don't want to spend all day mining blocks and killing zombies and stuff. Then you can just reload or restart your server, and the changes will take effect. So now we're inside our server. So it doesn't work if you're in creative mode. It only works if you're in survivor mode. So you want to get a stone hoe, and I'm going to give an example of the wheat to start. So we're going to get some seeds. So let's say you set up a thing where you get a reward 10% of the chance, let's say. When you are mining wheat. In this case, it's just going to be here on the ground. It has to be fully grown for this to work. You can't just destroy the seeds. It has to be fully grown for the seeds to work. Now, it's a 90% chance. There, you'll see it pop up in chat when I get it. So far, that even with a 90% chance, I didn't get it that time, which is interesting. So let's try to ignore the unknown command. It's because I'm on Badlion client. It's trying to tip people on Hypixel while I'm here. It's a glitch with the client. So we're going to try to keep breaking stuff. And as seen here, it's loaded up correctly. So we're just not getting lucky. So why don't we change the percentage to go ahead to be 100% on crops. So crops, we're going to put 100. So every single time I have a chance of getting something. Huh. Why am I not getting it? That's strange. Maybe crops is something else. Give me one sec. So, exactly what I said at the beginning of this episode, I exactly forgot about. You have to be in survival mode. So if I go into game mode 0, now, if I break it, I'm going to... See, this is what happens when you are tired. You don't realize that you're in the wrong mode. So now it's a 100% chance, since I'm mining the items, it's going to give me my reward each time. You can set up as many rewards in the config as you want. So why don't we do another example? Why don't we go ahead and set it up so you get some... Remember we set it up in the config so you get cobblestone when you break cobblestone? There's a 90% chance. Why don't we put out some cobblestone? We'll grab a pickaxe, go into game mode 0, and mine some cobble and see when we get the reward. There we go. We got the reward. So 90% of the chance, 90% of the time, we're going to get that reward, which is pretty useful. Let's see what else we can do. Why don't we spawn one of these? Let's just go ahead and spawn a zombie. Why don't we get a bunch of spawn zombie eggs. We'll get a weapon. We'll spawn some zombies. And if I kill this zombie, I should get a reward. There we go. I got another reward. So it's pretty easy to set up. Buy the plugin, drag it in your plugins folder, restart your server. You can set up your rewards, and it will work that well. I also recommend using shard gems. I don't know if it's installed, yes it is, Shard Gems with this plugin, because then you can just give them gems and use the gems as well. They both work perfectly fine together. It's very useful. If you have questions on how to use this plugin, please go on our Discord server. It's BGHDDevelopment.com/Discord. Thank you so much for watching today's video, everybody. My name is Noodles. Hopefully you did have a great day. I will see you in tomorrow's video where we're going over something else. I don't know what yet. See you tomorrow.